Hello, Dixon. This is Carol Walling, an Instructional Effectiveness Specialist with Baker Online and Center for Graduate Studies, as well as St. Francis School of Law. I noticed I have not received a response from you in regards to my last email, so I wanted to kind of address all of your questions in that email in this short tutorial. So your first question was, can you upload slides from a PowerPoint presentation for students to have access to it in your announcements page? So right now you can see on the screen that I am in a test environment, so I can do anything in here without it impacting students or live class. So in my announcements page, I'm going to create an announcement, title it, tell the class what the announcement is, then I'm going to embed my PowerPoint file into this announcement. I do that by going over here to this paperclip icon and inserting a file. It's going to open up this Insert Content window where I can browse my computer or my content collection or a source URL. I save all of my PowerPoints on my computer, so I'm going to click on Browse My Computer. So the most recent PowerPoint I've worked on is New Faculty Training for Lesson Planning. So I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to press Submit. And my computer's a little slow, so you'll have to give it a second. And sometimes if it's a large file, it might take a minute. But I'm getting this nice little circle up here of I'm working, but I'm not getting anything done. And you'll notice once it's complete, it'll embed it as a link right into your announcement. Now if you scroll down, you'll notice that you can date restrict it. So if you wanted to put some slides up there for next week on the announcements board, and you have time to do that right now, you can make this announcement and then time release it so it'll release next week on Tuesday morning. So I'm going to not date restrict it just so it'll go in there easily. I can also send this announcement as an email. So if I click on this, it'll send whatever is in here to your students in an email. So that might be a nice way for you to share those slides with your students beyond just posting it in the announcements. It'll get to them in the email and the announcements page. So depending on if that's a personal preference for you or not, that is an option. Once you've figured all that out, you press Submit. And you'll see that it has now populated my announcement, and it has this nifty little link here, which students can then click on and download, and it'll come up when it's ready after it's loaded, which here's my PowerPoint that I uploaded. In regards to WebEx, it looks like you're having some problems with the navigability of it. So I'm going to start a meeting to kind of show you the ins and outs of doing a WebEx. You'll make sure you want to have the system call you at a phone number, or you can call in, click here, or you can call in using your computer if you have a microphone for your computer. Next,
welcome to WebEx. Press 1 to be connected to your meeting. You are the first person to join the meeting. Please stand by.
then you'll want to share your screen if you're choosing to share anything with your students. So if you see here, it shows that I'm the speaker. Now if there's other participants here, they will all load under here and I can see them. Then you'll want to click on this chat button and it'll open up your chat feature down here. That way you can see who's talking or who's asking questions. You can also go in here and switch it. If you want to switch and talk to somebody privately, you can go in here and click there and it'll populate everybody's name who's enrolled in your course. So that's a nice feature as well. You can also make sure that you mute everybody over here so that you don't hear any of their background noise if you so choose. Or if you want them to be live and to have a conversation, make sure you leave them unmuted. You can record your session in multiple places, right here, or you can go up here and click into My Meeting and then start recording. Once you click Share Screen, you can click which monitor you want to have it share with your students. I'm going to click Share the Screen, Screen 1. And this shares anything that is on my screen. So I can start a Word document. I can show them a case study. And I can type in it. You can see everything that I do. You can also make comments, edits. Another thing if you might want to do is start a Google Doc and have your students collaborate at the same time. And all you have to do with that is start a Google Doc and put it right here on the screen, and you can monitor what they're doing and everyone can see what's going on, and you can all collaborate together. Now when you have your WebEx open, you'll see at the top of the screen, when you're sharing your screen, that you'll have this menu open. And you can do a lot of things for your WebEx here. You can pause, share your files, assign people to certain things, change your audio, mute you, lock your screen, so maybe you need to do something off screen. You can click on to see your participants if that screen went away. You can click to reopen your chat box if you mistakenly closed it, because sometimes that happens. And you can also begin, stop, pause recording here as well. And then you have an annotate button where you can annotate documents in the whiteboard if you have the whiteboard open. So there's lots of different options that you can do with this WebEx. I will also be attaching a short tutorial on WebEx that I would like you to watch. And then please email me back today or tomorrow with any questions you may have. But just in case you need me tonight before your class, I will be available via email until 6:00 p.m. I'm in meetings, so I won't be in my office to answer my phone. But I will make sure that I check my email just to be there for you, okay? So I will talk to you soon. I hope you have a great class.